Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 124 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 199 questions and 3 case studies in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 200. I have important announcement prior moving to the question is that now we have started live instructor-led hands-on classes where you can learn Azure fundamentals, administration and DevOps in one course. This interactive course will cover AZ 900, AZ 104 and AZ 400 exam syllabus as well as Kubernetes, Docker, Git, GitHub and much more. Batches starting every month with limited seats. If interested, please reserve your seat in advance. For more information and registration, you can reach us on WhatsApp at this number. Question 200. You have an Azure subscription that contains a resource group named RG1. You plan to create a storage account named storage1. You have a bicep file named file1. You need to modify file1 so that it can be used to automate the deployment of storage1 to resource group 1 or RG1. Which property should you modify? Let's see how many properties are the properties which are attribute to the storage account. So the properties which are the attribute to storage account should not be able to automate this to deploy to resource group 1. We are on learn.microsoft.com and we are looking for here the article which will help us to create the storage account using Bicep. To create a Microsoft storage or storage account resource, add following Bicep to your template. We can see here location is the attribute to our storage account which we are creating. SKU is also a attribute to the storage account and kind is also the attribute to storage account. But we don't find anything like the scope here inside when we are creating the storage account using Azure Bicep. Now we are on another page of the learn.microsoft.com where we are inside of the Bicep under the resource manager and we are talking here about the scope function for the Bicep. Here we are getting the management group example. The following example sets the scope for a module to a management group. So here when we are calling this module which is going to deploy some resources and setting this scope for this module, and here we are calling the management group and providing the management group identifier. Same way we can set the scope for resource group as well. The following example scopes a module to a resource group. Means we can set the scope for that module and the module is going to deploy the resource in a particular resource group. So here if we are calling a module here and we can scope this module to use this resource group and we can provide the name of resource group. Therefore, as we have seen that kind is a property in the storage account, SKU is a property in the storage account, location is a property in the storage account, but the scope is something which can be set on the module level. And we can set the scope as a resource group, which we can set to resource group 1. It will deploy the resource written in the module to resource group 1. Therefore, option B, scope, is the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video.
See you in next video.